What lady doesn't appreciate a home that's run smoothly? With the Lady of the House method, you can enjoy that. And if you design this one thing every day, you will transform your home. Welcome back, ladies. We are discussing transforming our home in one day, and this is part 4. So there are 6 parts to this whole series in basically transforming our home in one day. And so today I am sharing with you that if you design the menu every day, you can transform your home. Why? Why is this so transformative? Well, for myself, I know that it will transform my life if I can just stick with this one thing. I know how I feel every single time I have everything running down to dinner being designed. So that menu, whatever it is, whether you focus on breakfast, lunch, dinner, all of them, design that menu. It transforms your home because you feel on top of things. You have made sure that you have all of those ingredients necessary. You have a better attitude, I would say. I know I do for myself. And then also, anytime someone walks into the home, anytime someone is home, doesn't it just feel like home if there's something cooking or, there's just no question to it? That's, I would have to say, my biggest struggle of all the things. It's designing the menu. So what did I do? Well, I put it at the top of the list for the daily pages, design the menu, because dinner comes every single day and I can't tell you how many times I did not figure this out and how disappointed I was with myself and how it woke me up in the middle of the night. I even wrote a newsletter about this recently. So if you are not a patron, I hope that you will consider joining, because not only does it help support this channel here, but it also, you get extras. So you get to read the newsletters that I publish, and then also extra videos, exclusive content just for Patreon. But anyway, designing the menu really doesn't have to be difficult. I'm not saying make a 5-course meal or anything like that, but just having a plan, it makes a big difference in our day. It makes us feel prepared. We will be prepared. We will want to make sure, even if it's not us picking the items up, maybe we ask our husband on the way home to pick things up, or if you have a child living at home that drives, maybe they can pick something up or anything like that. I'm just saying, have a plan, design the menu, and maybe you're not always the one cooking, and that's okay too. But having that plan in place will transform your day. And it will transform your household. So I just know that this is a big contributor to making sure that my home is running smoothly. And so I've included it in the everyday routine in the Lady of the House method. I really hope that this inspires you today to make sure that you've designed your menu. If you already have, I hope that you will leave a comment below with what's on the menu this evening. And with that, I'm going to leave you here. Thank you so much for being here with me today. And if you have been joining in this whole series, I really appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.